Imagine a country where every city feels like a living fairy tale. Majestic mountains, sparkling lakes, and cozy streets. This is Switzerland. But how do you choose the cities that will truly reveal the magic of this incredible country? In today's video, I'm going to take you through the most beautiful and unique places that you absolutely must include in your itinerary. Stick with me until the end, and you'll discover the cities that will give you unforgettable memories and make your journey truly magical. Let's start our journey in Zurich. It's the largest city in Switzerland, often called the financial capital of Europe. But trust me, Zurich is more than just a business hub. Picture yourself wandering through the old town, where every cobblestone street is steeped in history. You'll find ancient buildings, charming alleys, and cozy cafes where you can enjoy a cup of hot chocolate. Be sure to visit the Grossmünster Cathedral, one of the city's most iconic landmarks. Climb to the top of one of its towers for a breathtaking view of Zurich and the surrounding Alps. After immersing yourself in Zurich's history, head over to Bahnhofstrasse, one of the most famous shopping streets in the world. Here, you'll find everything your heart desires, from luxury boutiques to charming shops with Swiss souvenirs. But Zurich isn't just about shopping. The city is also known for its museums. If you have time, drop by the Kunsthaus, the largest art museum in Switzerland. Its collection includes masterpieces from the Middle Ages to contemporary art. Now let's move on to Geneva, a city that truly breathes international flair. Geneva is often called the City of Peace because it's home to the headquarters of many international organizations, including the United Nations. Start your day with a stroll along the shores of Lake Geneva, where you'll see the famous jet d'eau, which shoots water 140 meters into the air. This iconic symbol of the city is admired by visitors from around the world. Continue your walk through the old town, where narrow streets lead to the majestic St. Peter's Cathedral. Don't miss the chance to climb to the observation deck of the cathedral, where you'll be rewarded with stunning views of the city and the lake. Geneva is also renowned for its museums. One of the most fascinating is the International Red Cross and Red Crescent Museum. This isn't just a museum. It's a place where history comes to life and reminds us of the importance of helping others. Next on our journey is Bern, the capital of Switzerland. This city, with its medieval architecture and unique atmosphere, captivates at first sight. The entire old town of Bern is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it's easy to see why. Narrow streets, arched galleries, ancient fountains. It feels like time has stood still here. Take a walk along Kramgasse, the main street of the old town, where you'll find charming shops and cafes. Be sure to visit the Albert Einstein House, where the great scientist lived and worked. But the true gem of Bern is the Siegglocke, its famous clock tower. Every hour, a delightful show of mechanical figures takes place, attracting the attention of tourists and locals alike. Climb the tower for a bird's-eye view of the city. Now we head to Lausanne, a city perched on the shores of Lake Geneva. Lausanne is known for its vibrant university life and sports traditions. It's home to the International Olympic Committee, and the city's Olympic Museum is a must-visit. This museum not only tells the history of the Olympic Games, but also inspires visitors with the spirit of athletic achievement. While exploring Lausanne, don't miss the Notre Dame Cathedral, a stunning example of Gothic architecture. From here, you'll get breathtaking views of the city and the lake. And in the evening, take a leisurely stroll along the lakeside promenade, enjoying the views of Lake Geneva and the Alps. Finally, we arrive in Lucerne, a city that looks like it's straight out of a postcard. Here you'll find the famous Chapel Bridge, Kapellbrücke, one of the oldest wooden bridges in Europe, adorned with flowers. This bridge is a symbol of Lucerne and attracts tourists from all over the world. But Lucerne is more than just bridges and historic buildings. The city is surrounded by the majestic Alps, and a trip to Mount Pilatus is a must. Take the world's steepest cogwheel railway to the top, where you'll be treated to unforgettable panoramic views. After descending from the mountain, spend the evening in Lucerne's old town, enjoying dinner in one of the cozy restaurants. Try traditional Swiss fondue and soak in the atmosphere of this incredible city. So now you know which cities in Switzerland you should visit to make your trip truly unforgettable. Zurich, Geneva, Bern, Lausanne, and Lucerne. Each of these cities is unique in its own way and deserves your attention. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about how to make your trip to Switzerland even more exciting, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Hit the like button, leave a comment, and let us know which city you dream of visiting. We're always happy to hear your questions and suggestions.